What's up, guys? So I've been getting a lot of you guys messaging me, asking me, how can you make things that are healthier, foods and items that are healthier for you in order to decrease your chronic pain and lose weight with fibromyalgia and arthritis and get healthy naturally. So today, I'm gonna show you guys how to make something that's fun, quick, easy to make, and something that you can enjoy, whether it be for a snack or you can add it to a meal that's low in you can add it to one of your meals or something like that. It's low in calories and it's healthy as well. And that's a grilled cheese sandwich that's dairy free and gluten free. All right, that's what I'm gonna show you guys how to make. So just follow me along, do it step by step. I'm gonna show you guys all the steps that you need to do, the items that you need to get at the grocery store, and the ingredients that we're looking for. All right, so nextly, we're going to go to the grocery store so I can get all the ingredients. So that's where I'm going to take you guys next, so you can know what you need to look for at the grocery store. All right. So I'll see you in the grocery store in a second. All right. Next, we got to get the bread. All right. So we're looking for gluten-free bread. All right. So we got our gluten-free bread right here. It says no high fructose corn syrup, lactose-free. So it's gluten-free and dairy-free. And it's made with 7 different grains in it, so that's good. So it's got whole grains in it, because whole grains are always healthy for you. Whole grains don't have gluten in it either. All right, so we got our bread now. All right, so next we're looking for the plant-based cheese, non-dairy cheese. So we got this right here. We got our plant-based non-dairy cheese, hot pepper cheese slices. So because it's got hot pepper, it's probably gonna be a little on the spicy side if you want that, if you want a little spice in your cheese. So we got our plant-based non-dairy cheese right here. All right. All right, guys. So we're in the baking section of the grocery store, and so I'm looking for organic coconut oil that's cold pressed and unrefined, because that means it hasn't been processed with any other ingredients and hasn't been mixed with anything else. So I'm getting the coconut oil, cold pressed, unrefined, that's organically grown. All right, that's the oil that we're gonna cook the grilled cheese in. All right. All right, so I'm using an electric skillet for this, and I've already preheated the electric skillet to 350 degrees. You want to preheat it to 350 degrees if you're not using a lid. If you are using a lid, then you want to preheat it to 300 degrees, because if it's open, some of that steam and heat will escape, so it has to be higher, like around 350 degrees. But I recommend you use it, with a lid on, and do it closed. All right. So after that, we're going to take a scoop of coconut oil, about a spoonful of coconut oil, spread around the skillet, let it melt, get nice and melted around the skillet, and then we're going to take 2 slices of bread, and it shouldn't take that long for the oil to melt. So we're going to take, let it melt around 10 to 20 seconds. Make sure it's spread evenly around the skillet. Then we're going to take 2 slices of bread and toast them on a skillet until they're dark brown, and nice and toasted, where they're brown all around across the bread evenly. You can use your discretion with that, because some people like their grilled cheese more toasted than others. So use your discretion with that. But you're looking for the bread to be, get a nice brown color, dark brown around evenly throughout the bread until it's nice and toasted. All right, now. After that, I'm gonna put the slice of cheese on the bread. So it's time to melt the cheese now. We're gonna apply pressure on the top bun, so the cheese can melt and absorb some of that heat from the bread. And we're going to let that cheese melt for about anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. The plant-based cheese might take a little longer than cheese made with dairy. So it might take a little longer than the other cheese, that cheese made with dairy. So, but again, use your discretion with that, because it just depends on how much you want your cheese melted. I like mine's melted fairly well, and all across the board. So you want to let that cheese melt, apply pressure on that top bun. This is probably the longest part of all, but it still goes by fairly quick. Just keep flipping it. That way you don't want one bread more crispy than the other. Both sides are good and crispy, even across the board, nice and toasted. cheese is melting. Looks like it's almost done. Yeah, it's almost done. After we got that cheese nice and melted, got it where you want it to be, we're good to go. Looks like we're good to go. About a few more seconds, just to make sure we got all that cheese melted nice and good. Like I said, it's quick. This is one of those things you can use for a snack or part of your meal. Alright, now we got our grilled cheese sandwich, our gluten-free, dairy-free grilled cheese sandwich prepared properly, ready to eat and enjoy. Yep. Nice and toasty, cheese melted, perfectly made. Alright, now this is, like I said, this is simple, quick, easy, fun to enjoy. It's low in calories, and like I said, if you got fibromyalgia arthritis, you ain't got to worry about this raising your inflammation levels. It's got plenty of vitamins in it. It's made with whole grains, so it's got sufficient nutrients in it, plenty of vitamins, minerals, proteins, your complex carbs, some omegas in it as well because of the whole grains and things that it's made with, and other ingredients that's in the bread. So definitely nutritious for you, and it won't like I said, it won't raise your inflammation levels. You can eat this, enjoy. If you like your breads, like I always say, you don't have to give up foods that you enjoy to eat healthy. You just have to make some adjustments when it comes to preparing them in a healthier manner with cooking them with the right ingredients. All right. So I'll be sure and share with you guys more recipes in the future. More complex recipes that are like a little bit more for advanced. If you're an advanced in cooking, you want to get a little bit more creative. I'll share some more recipes for you in the future, but today I just wanted to keep it real simple for you, make it real, give you something that was real quick and easy to make. All right. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Like, share, comment below if you enjoyed it. Comment below some things that you would like for me to show you how to make in the future as well. And comment below, like I said, let me know if you enjoyed it, if you made it, and if it came out great. And I'll talk to you guys later.